Hey everyone, it's Ford Mustang 98 guy here. Today, let's take an in-depth look at the 2000 Toyota Sienna XLE. And this is going to be a full and in-depth review of the Sienna. We'll start the engine, show it off, go some performance details, show you a bunch of the features on the inside as well as the outside. It's getting cold up here. So, without further ado, let's start it up, let it run. A blue exterior with tan leather interior. Start up with the door closed. I'm not going to start it with the door open. It's very, very windy. 159,000 kilometers. I'm going to leave it running. Just to warm up, get some of that heat going. It's got a full leather wrapped steering wheel, 4-speed automatic, four-wheel drive. So, let's going to put on the headlights, hazards. It's got that green lighting on it. I don't want to. It's got an automatic driver's side window. Now we'll check out the outside. I gotta be quick because Emmons gonna leave soon. 2:34. Don't have a lot of time left. Standard Michelin tires wrapped around alloys. Gotta be quick, because I gotta go soon. Locks in place, push the fuel cap. Third brake light up top. And let it warm up. Alright, we're going to pop the hood. Oh, there. The V6. Right there's your battery. 3.0 liter V6. Anyways, close it up. Gotta be quick. I don't have a lot of time left. Here, your power windows, power locks, storage, has power sheets. We're making a mess. And it does have a, I think it doesn't have a tilt steering. Oh yeah, manual tilting steering wheel. All right, so let's go see how she revs. Not bad. Perfect. Sounds great. Alright, now I'm gonna shut it up. Easy use climate control. Temperature. Different zones. Front defrost, rear defrost, hazards, circulation, and fan speed. Air vents right there. AM FM radio with cassette CD player. Rear fan speed. Rear vent. Cup holder. Same thing on this side. Cruise control. You also have radio controls up here. Headlights, turn signals. Wipers. It's got ice on it. Mirror and vanity light. Manual dimming rearview mirror. Interior lights. Garage door opener. You have your sunroof up here. Interior lights. Over here, you have your temperature, tachometer, speedometer, and fuel. Not bad. Ashtray. Your digital clock up there. You also have your cigarette lighter right here. Was a very non-smoker. Power outlet.
Southern Ontario's best rock.
Storage.
97.7 Hits FM from Rhode Island.
Anyways, there's the wipers. Anyways, I'm gonna leave it running, so check out the back seat. It's gotta warm up.
Music rating. I think they're just gonna play euchre.
Ooh, it's getting cold out here.
It's got nothing to do with music. I think they're just gonna play euchre. Ask Polly. That's all I can say. Just ask Polly. All right. Let's see. We got the Foo Fighters on the way. Looking for the biggest sale this weekend?
Yes, I have rear climate control.
3-day everything's on sale. Yesterday through Sunday only. You can enjoy all our hold the payment sale prices and all our Black Friday appliance sale prices. Plus,
Cup holder.
take up to 50% off.
All right. Now we're gonna check out the trunk. Check out the rest. I'm leaving it running because it has to warm up.
Any contractor can tell you that
And you have your interior light there.
The breakdown is the coldest one. But a participating contractor in the Save on Energy program like me can help you
Spare
save
stuff.
up to $650 in incentives. Just use energy efficient.
Snow's gonna fly everywhere. Door hesitates a little bit. Won't close. There we go. Alright. Power locks, window storage, full manual passenger seat.
That's exciting.
Yes, he is, and that's why we have an amazing deal on this K10 Focus.
Is a brand new Focus really only $275 a month?
Yes.
This has glove box, comes with the original owner's manual.
Not to mention, first payment is
Mirror and vanity light,
January 2014.
And the sale ends December
ocean
1st.
handles. Alright, that's pretty much about it. It's also, like I said, full manual passenger seat, doesn't have power seats the same as the driver's.
Today, all the madness of
Anyways,
on Saturday.
shut her off. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed this in-depth look at the 2000 Toyota Sienna. Be sure to stay tuned next time, there's a lot more that came from. Take care everyone.